Nice forwarded that to Peter. Because she's really looking nice.
Danny, can you see the monkey? Danny. Danny, Nana frog in the picture right there.
Monkey?
Yeah.
I got it. You have to. Okay.
Oh, that's a bird.
That's a bird.
That's what I'm taping right now.
It's like further down.
I can't pause it.